completed the 9th chapter, that is rational numbers. Now I am taking the 10th chapter, that is geometry. Construction I am taking. Here you are learning practical geometry, that is constructions. Okay. In this practical geometry, that is chapter 10, practical geometry. Okay. In this chapter, we are learning how to construct a parallel line for the given line from the point given outside the given line. Okay. Now, what it is, construction of a line parallel to a given line through a point not on the line. First we will understand the meaning of this. Construction of a line parallel to a given line. Here see, one line is given. For example, AB is a given line. Okay. For this given line, we have to construct a parallel line. Parallel means you know, this is parallel line. That means equidistant. From wherever you measure also, equidistance will be there. Equidistant. Okay. Parallel lines are those which are equidistant. Okay. So, such kind of one line we have to draw. Construction of a line parallel to a given line. This is given line. Through a point not on the line. See here. Suppose this is a given line. Here one point I am giving P. Through this point we have to draw a parallel line. But not this is the way to draw the parallel line. There are some steps in the geometry. Through that we have to construct the parallel line to the given line through a point not on the given line. This point is not on the given line. This point is outside the line. Okay, through this point we are going to construct a parallel line. Okay, let us learn now. This is only using ruler and compass. Using the ruler and compass. Now I am going to take one example for you so that you can do a 10.1 very easily. See now, one line I am taking, the step 1. What is the step 1? Step 1. There are 7 steps. Okay. Take a line segment A. One line segment I am taking. Take your scale. Take your scale with convenient length you take. Take a, see, line segment. Very, very important. Please give attention to the steps. Step 1. Take a line segment or draw a line segment L. This is one line segment L it is. Okay. And this is step 1. Take a line L and a point A outside. Here one point A is there. How it is? Outside the L. Through that point A, we have to construct a parallel line to this L. Okay. This is step 1. In the step 2, so in the step 2, what is the step 2? Take any point B on L. Take any point B. Here I will just mark point B. Where I am marking? On the line L. Okay. L. And with B as the center and convenient radius, draw an arc. Here see, after marking this point, you just join these two. Okay. Now next, you know this is compass. Okay, this is compass. With convenient radius B as center, this is step 3. Step 3. What is the step 3? Step 1 what? Draw a line L. Okay, and then step 2, mark a point B on the line and A outside the line L and join AB. This is in the step 2. Step 3, B as a center with convenient radius. See, B as a center with convenient radius. Convenient means not much also, not very less also. With convenient radius, draw an arc which has the center, B as the center, B as the center with convenient radius. Draw an arc such that it has to cut the line L. Where it is cutting? It is cutting in the C and D. It is cutting in the C and D. Okay. Now, it is the same radius. You should not disturb the radius. It is the same radius. Next step it is step number 4. Step number 4. Step 4. With the same radius, A as the center. See, this is the center. A as the center. Draw an arc. A as the center. Draw an arc. See. Draw an arc such that it has to cut the line AB. See, draw the same radius. Draw an arc with A as the center. Draw an arc such that it has to cut AB. It has to cut AB. You see A, B, C, D. Here this is E. It has to cut AB at point E. I hope you are following. First one, step 1, draw a line L and mark the point B on it. Then step 2, take a point A outside the line L, join AB. Third step, with B as the center of convenient radius, draw an arc such that it has to cut the line L at point C and the line AB at point D. This is third step. Next, fourth step, with the same radius. What radius? Convenient radius we have taken now. With the same radius, A as the center, draw an arc such that it has to cut AB at point E. I hope you understood. Now, you just measure the next step, that is step 5. Step 5, you just measure the arc CD. How much is the CD? Just you measure it. C, one point, this tip of the compass you keep on the C and then just extend to D. How much is CD now? That much only. Now, E as the center, you just cut this arc. See, like this. Cut this arc at point F. This is E, no? This is F. F. Now what you have to do? Join this E, A and F. Join this AF. Through that you have to, through the point A we have to draw the parallel. So this is what see. Extend that line F and A. See, now this point will write like this. Now this point and this point you have to join and extend. Now what it is? This line is M. How it is M? M is parallel to L. So this is what the construction steps of constructing a parallel line to a given line L, where the point which is outside the line L. It is not on the line L, it is outside the line L. So this is what the steps of construction. So on this basis, you have to construct the exercise 10.1. There are 3 sums are there that you have to construct. I hope you understood. Once again I explain the steps. Then you can go through the exercise. First, draw the line segment L. Once again roughly I will put the sketch here. See, draw the line segment L. Okay, and mark the point B on it. Step 2, given point is here A. Join this AB. Rough scale and rough diagram I am drawing. Now in the step 3, B as the center with convenient radius, draw an arc. Okay, this arc is cutting the line L at C, AB at D. Okay, with the same radius, without disturbing the radius, A as the center, draw an arc like this. Draw an arc such that it has to cut AB at point E. Okay. After that, take the compass and tip of the compass point will be kept on the C and measure the measurement of this CD. Take that much as the radius. Now E as the center, you just cut this arc. Okay, where this arc is cutting this arc now, that point is nothing but that is F. Now join this F and A and extend it. Yes, this is what the rough diagram with all the 7 steps included. This is what construction of a parallel line to the given line through a point which is not on the given line. Okay. So thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel. In the next exercise, I am going to do the. In the next session, I am going to do the exercise 10.1.